worry about CPAP being loud. Let's be honest. Your snoring sounds like a leaf blower fighting a raccoon inside of a washing machine. CPAP noise is steady, predictable white noise. Snoring's chaos. It starts, it stops. Pauses that make your partner stare at you like you're still alive. If your partner sleeps better with CPAP, it's not because CPAP is cute. It's because oxygen is flowing and the house finally stopped vibrating. CPAP doesn't ruin relationships. Untreated sleep apnea does. One is mildly annoying. The other slowly destroys sleep for everyone in the room.